Do you mind telling us like what you were doing before you changed on the calls to action, kind of like what it was like, what you learned, and then what you're implementing now?
Yeah, of course. So when I started the podcast, I guess my goal was basically I went from seeing a lot of clients face to face and I cut it down a little bit because I was getting a bit burnt out. And I realized what I was missing and what I think a lot of people were missing were these great conversations that I was having one-on-one where we were taking the pressure off and someone was like, I feel really bad because I blew out my diet again. And we kind of discuss a way around it and a better way to handle it. So that's, I guess, where it came from. I just wanted to have a conversation with people to help spark their mind a bit and I guess take the pressure off and maybe help them to be able to implement change on a more positive note. But
let me see if I can repeat back what I'm hearing so far. In the beginning, there wasn't really, it's sounding like there wasn't really a call to action because the main purpose of the show was to simply allow people to feel that grace that they might need in times where they blew out their diet. So in the beginning, it wasn't like, I want them to work with me or anything. It was more like, hey, let me just put out good content that might be able to help this person, inspire them to keep going. Is that right?
100%. So yeah, I had no intention of using it as a marketing funnel or, do you know what I mean? Like it literally just wanted to get the conversation out there. And if 2 people listened to it and it made their day, I was pretty happy with that. But then after
what is it now?
Speaking to you, after speaking to you, you mentioned that I should have a call to action, even if it's simply directing someone on how they can further their help. I think the way you described it was, it's great that you're giving them this info, but then you're not helping them further progress. And also for yourself as a business, you could be using this. So now, I mean, look, it's definitely not, I'm not overly selly in it, but I definitely lead them towards like my socials and my website. And I have a Facebook group and it's more so saying, look, if you want to discuss this further, or if you want to look for some more resources, head this way. Whereas I didn't do that previously.